Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how can we integrate React Native vector icons. Here I have a new project. In this project, I am going to add a React Native vector icons. First of all, go to the official documentation and just scroll down. Copy the command, go to your project and paste the command in terminal. Now go to the IIS folder. Okay, now again go to the documentation. For iOS, just click on the list of all available fonts. Just copy all the fonts. Go to your projects. Inside iOS, the project name, and inside info.plist, just paste that fonts and save it. That's it for iOS part. For Android, just copy the line. Go to your Android, here, builder Gradle, and paste the instructions. Just deliver apply. Now save the code. Run the Xcode. Kill the project. Rerun the project. I'm going to add a new icon here. Just copy the line. Paste it and save it. You can see a new icon is added. And for Android, I'm killing this project for yes. Just go to your project. You can see a new icon is added in this Android side. Thank you for watching. If you have anything, just comment below. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe.